Hello to my subscribers and all who are watching us. In this short video, we will answer interesting question: what are the effects and symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor? The oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor, plays a crucial role in monitoring the level of oxygen in a vehicle's exhaust gases. It provides feedback to the engine control module, ECM, to help optimize the air-fuel mixture for combustion. A malfunctioning or bad oxygen sensor can lead to various issues in a vehicle. Here are some effects and symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor. 1. Decreased fuel efficiency. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause the engine to run too rich, excess fuel, or too lean, insufficient fuel, leading to decreased fuel efficiency. 2. Increased emissions. An improperly functioning oxygen sensor may result in higher emissions of pollutants, such as hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, which can contribute to environmental pollution. 3. Poor engine performance. A bad oxygen sensor can adversely affect engine performance, causing rough idling, stalling, or hesitation during acceleration. 4. Check engine light, CEL, illumination. One of the most common signs of a faulty oxygen sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on the vehicle's dashboard. The ECM detects irregularities in the sensor's signals and triggers the warning light. 5. Failed emissions test. In regions with mandatory emissions testing, a malfunctioning oxygen sensor can cause a vehicle to fail the emissions test. 6. Erratic sensor readings. A malfunctioning oxygen sensor may produce erratic or incorrect voltage readings, leading to improper adjustments in the air-fuel mixture. 7. Reduced engine power. In some cases, a bad oxygen sensor can result in reduced engine power and overall performance. How do you know if your oxygen sensor is bad? Will a bad O2 sensor cause rough idle and loss of engine power? You bet. Moreover, you may also notice poor acceleration, engine misfires, and even stalling. Bad oxygen sensors disrupt all kinds of essential engine functions, including engine timing, combustion intervals, and air-fuel ratio. Is it okay to drive my car if it has a bad oxygen sensor? We recommend not driving with a bad oxygen sensor, as the powertrain isn't running on the correct fuel mixture. Though it may seem fine, if the powertrain is running rich and overusing its fuel, it could start to clog the catalytic converter. Does cleaning an O2 sensor work? A dirty or faulty oxygen sensor is meant to be replaced, not cleaned. The caveat is that if the O2 sensor is simply coated with soot from a temporary rich condition, repairing the rich condition will typically enable the lean, clean exhaust to burn the soot off. However, O2 sensors can become sluggish over time. It's important to note that the symptoms may vary depending on whether the oxygen sensor is lazy, responding too slowly, or dead, not functioning at all. Additionally, other issues in the vehicle systems, such as vacuum leaks or problems with the catalytic converter, can sometimes produce similar symptoms. If you suspect a problem with your oxygen sensor, it's advisable to have a qualified mechanic diagnose and address the issue to maintain optimal vehicle performance. Thanks for your attention, and please subscribe our channel.